Ethereum is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting, you make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, we had a beautiful bullish engulfing candle break into that resistance level, and I mentioned the fact that it's going to be very, very crucial for us to actually find support at this level here at 1280 and then a continuation. As of right now, we do see a beautiful retest of the support level. We are using the 9 exponential moving averages as well as support, so this is looking like a continuation pattern. There are a few things I did want to talk about. Number one, of course, being the fact that we are still in the overbought territory. So entering a long position here is going to be quite risky. In my opinion, I would wait for a small pullback, probably around to that $1,200 mark, and then a continuation for that confirmation. But of course, if we do see another leg to the upside, then that would give us the confirmation that we will at least be testing this overall resistance here at 1331. Looking at previous price analysis, you can see we have tested this 1280 level multiple times, and we did get quite a few wicks to the upside to around the 1331 point. That's exactly why I have these two resistance lines drawn so close to each other, so it gives you guys a perspective of, in case of a wick, where we can possibly be looking for that shorting opportunity or closing those trades if you are in that short. As of right now, of course, if we do get a nice strong bullish engulfing candle and then the consolidation, guys, things are going to look extremely good for Ethereum overall. We may actually go and test it around the 1518 level, which I've mentioned to you guys many times. I mentioned in previous videos that if the 1518 level were to break, we could be looking for a massive move on Ethereum to the downside, and we can see that we had a huge capitulation. As of right now, though, we are starting to have this inverse BART formation, so if we do get a move, we could be looking for that 1518 level to actually get retested and then the confirmation to the downside. Zooming out on the chart, you guys can see that we've had the same sort of scenario many times before. We actually had this exact same situation right over here where we actually had this move from all the way up here around the $2,000 mark, had this capitulation, had the retracement to around that 1700, and then the continuation. Right now we are seeing the same sort of format where we actually retested the $1,600 mark, had the move to the downside, and now looking to possibly retest and then that continuation overall. I'm still obviously looking at that $723 daily support level to be tested, because of the fact that it's a very strong daily support that has yet to be tested, right? We can see that $1,000 mark has been tested 4 times, and you guys already know, usually on the 4th test we tend to see a breakdown formation. So if we do enter that territory once again, I will be looking for those shorting opportunities overall. At the hourly time frames, we do have a beautiful BART formation. I talked about this in yesterday's video as well, and you can see we are now starting to consolidate in terms of this BART. So any move pretty much breaking below these exponential moving averages would validate the fact that this BART is in play, which is why I'm recommending waiting till at least the $1,200 mark to be looking for those long positions overall. Of course, this BART would be invalidated if we did have a strong bullish engulfing candle break above that 1331, find it as support, because then this would be a continuation move, right? We pretty much are using these support levels as a bounce and a perfect opportunity to continue pushing higher. And I've mentioned this to you guys in many other videos, the fact that once you see a break of this BART formation at that level, then you can start looking for the next leg down. Otherwise, it's extremely risky to be playing BART formations because you never really know where they're going to stop, right? We can continue pushing on higher, then consolidate, then push higher, then consolidate, and then you see that large move to the downside. Ideally, what you're trying to play is that large move, but playing these BART formations on the hourly are very manipulated. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.